Welcome back to Moto Freak.
The cheapest way into a Can-Am three-wheeler just quietly got a much bigger engine. Can-Am's officially confirmed the 2027 Ryker. Let's start with why the Ryker matters in Can-Am's lineup at all. Since it launched back in 2019, it's been the accessible entry point into three-wheel riding. Cheaper than the Spider line, with genuinely swappable body panels for customization and a lighter overall feel. For 2027, Can-Am's keeping everything that made it work, but updating basically every system underneath it. On the handling side, there's a stiffer frame, optimized steering geometry, a recalibrated VSS stability system, and revised aerodynamics, all aimed squarely at sharper steering precision and better overall control. That's not a flashy headline, but if you've ridden a Ryker before, that's exactly the kind of change you'd actually feel on the road. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the engine swap. The base Ryker's old 600 cubic centimeter twin is gone entirely, replaced by the Rotax 900 ACE 3-cylinder, the same engine already doing duty in the sport and rally trims. Here's the catch though. The base model's version of that engine is tuned down to 52 horsepower, while the Sport and Rally keep the full 79. Same hardware, different tune, different price bracket. Beyond the engine, Can-Am refreshed the look and the tech too. New LED headlights for a sharper visual signature and better actual lighting, redesigned body panels that are still interchangeable, new color options, and updated wheels. Inside, there's a new 5-inch color display and new handlebar controls, bringing the instrument cluster more in line with what you'd expect on a modern vehicle. On pricing, the base Ryker starts at €11,499, which works out to around $13,440 at current exchange rates. Step up to the Sport, with its full 79 horsepower and KYB suspension, and you're at €15,399, about $18,000. And the Rally, built for off-road capable riding, starts at €17,299, roughly $20,220. So is this a meaningful update or just a marketing repackage? Honestly, a bit of both. Giving the base model a 3-cylinder engine, even detuned, is a genuine mechanical upgrade over the old twin, and the chassis and tech updates apply across the whole range. But the power gap between the base bike and the Sport, on the exact same engine, is worth going in with eyes open about. Stay fast, stay freaky. This is Moto Freak, signing off. See you on the road!